Today I'm going to show you this cool, or at least what I think is cool, hairstyle. So if you want to see, you have to keep watching, and then at the end of the video comment down below, or I guess you could do it now, hair videos that you want to see. And with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So the materials that you're going to need is you're going to need a brush, a spray bottle, some bobby pins, a hair tie, some hair elastics, a toothbrush, and that's pretty much it. And so now let's get started with doing the hair. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to do what you do all the time. You're going to brush and spray your doll's hair, and then after you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and separate the hair into two sections that are even, but I am not very good at parting my doll's hair even, so just get it as close as you can. And it's fine if it's not even, because you honestly won't even be able to tell, and you really don't need to do a part. Not a part, but you don't have to section it. But for me, when I'm braiding and stuff, I have to section it so I don't get confused. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do. And I'm gonna just spray this side. And yeah, Kanani is also due for her hair treatment, but I literally have no time to do it, so she has to wait. And she has picture day coming up very soon, so yeah. But her hair is very, you probably can't see it on the camera, but her hair is so dead at the bottom. You see that? That's so gross. But we can fix that. So yeah, so we're just going to, okay, I'm done brushing her hair, and I'm gonna just use a toothbrush to smooth it out at the top, because she has some broken hairs that's really short. And yeah, so then like I said, you're going to separate it, and I'm going to separate it, and I'm not even gonna do mine neatly because I just know that I'm not going to. So for me, I'm just going to separate the top part over here, because the bottom part that you're going to need or whatever. So that's what we're going to do. So yeah, and I was not prepared. I did not get any hair clips like usual to put in her hair, but it's fine. We're gonna braid it off. So yeah, and we're going to just braid you off. So we're going to braid you off. And then once we are done braiding the hair, you are going to pull one section. Like I said, you're going to pull it out of the way, and then you're going to start Dutch braiding on this side, not the side that you're putting away, because that would be totally stupid. So yeah. Okay, so this is good. So turn, and I really hope that you guys can see this, but I'm not very good with camera angles, but I'm pretty sure that everybody knows how to Dutch braid. And you don't have to Dutch braid, you can totally French braid, and I don't think you can see this, but it's fine. But basically, I'm going to talk you through it. So what you're going to do, if I can get her hair where it needs to go, is you are going to do a Dutch braid. And when you Dutch braid the hair, you want to have it to go over here, because we're going to do this whole cool effect thingy majiggy. So yeah, so actually I'm going to try to fix my camera so that you can see the top of her head, and then I'm gonna start Dutch braiding her hair. Okay, so I tried fixing my camera angle so that you can like see it, and you can semi see like the top of her hair, and honestly like that's as good as it's going to get. So like I said before, you're going to like start Dutch braiding, and like you want to like Dutch braid all the way around the head, like kind of. I don't know, you're just like, you're gonna have to see. So that's what we're going to do, and I'm gonna have to like get up on my knees because this is the only way I can Dutch braid, because like she's sitting in a chair and her hair too is like really long, and I don't want it to get tangly because that is just not cool. And we're going to like use the toothbrush to like get all her hair together, because we don't want to like be ripping her hair out of her head. So I'm turning her away from you guys. This is not gonna work. Hold on. Okay, so yeah. So you want to Dutch braid. You don't have to Dutch braid, and if you don't know how to Dutch braid, I think I have a video of how to Dutch braid, and then there's like 20,000 like YouTube tutorials that tells you 20,000 ways of like how to Dutch braid. So yeah, you can also like French braid, but I don't know. Honestly, I'm better at Dutch braids than like French braids, so we're just doing that. And for Kanani's hair especially, she looks better with a Dutch braid, and her hair's trying to get tangly, and we don't like that. But yeah. And you can see Melody in the background and stuff. And oh wait, this one is stuck. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop videoing it, or like speed it up, and then when I get to the halfway point of where like you're going to be like wrapping it around, even though like I feel like everybody knows how to wrap it around, then like I'll start recording, because this is just like going to be boring. But I guess I could just like put music in. I don't really know. And then like on top of it, you can't even really see me Dutch braiding her hair, so I'm gonna just like stop it and then like come back. So this is what I have. I finished braiding her hair, and like I said, it's supposed to like wrap around, but I couldn't like get it to like wrap around like very nicely, so we're just going to do the second best thing, so keep on watching to see what that is. So now that you braided this section, you're going to take out this section, or if you tied up a section, let it loose, and then you're going to like make it all nice and sleek, and you're going to put it into like a ponytail. So I'm gonna like show you how to do that. So you're going to let this loose. And then for Kanani's hair, like I said earlier, she has a lot of like broken hairs and stuff. So then basically what I do is I get a toothbrush and I get my spray bottle and I wet it at the top, but that's going to be like after. So I'm actually going to take her out because her hair is like really long and it's really hard to like make a ponytail that's like good. So I'm going to do this. I got to brush her hair again because I do. And you can't see this, and yeah. And like her back, it looks very ratchet, I know, but like nobody's going to be looking at the back of your doll's head, so, or like they just don't care, so yeah. And so you want to make it all nice and sleek, and then you want the ponytail to be like tight. So I have Kanani's hair in a side ponytail, and now what you're going to do is you can braid it or twist it, and I'm just like gonna fishtail it because honestly Kanani's hair looks better in fishtails, and especially like with the condition of her hair, it looks better in fishtails. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to like fishtail it, and then I'm going to show you what you have to do afterwards, so I'll be right back. So now Kanani's hair is French braided, and now what you're going to do is you're going to wrap it around like the little ponytail, I guess you can call it, and then you're going to secure it with like a hair tie or like a bobby pin. Kanani's hair doesn't like to stay, so I always like put hair ties in it, and then I put bobby pins in it just to like make it stay. And you can also like pancake the braid to like make it like stay, but I did Kanani's too tight, so I'm kind of stuck. And then this hair tie is not trying to work. So you have to get it to like your liking, and obviously this is not it, sis. So you gotta fix this. And like her hair is not trying to cooperate today, but like when I did it the first time, it was like really good, and today it's just like it's okay. So yeah, and then if you need to, you can get your toothbrush and you can just like flat out the hair to make it like look good, and then basically this is what you have. So you can like add hair accessories like ribbons or like headbands or whatever, but like Kanani doesn't like that type of stuff, and honestly she looks good without it, so we're just like, we need to like keep it like this. So I'm going to insert pictures of like the hair, like the final look and stuff, and then that's like pretty much it.